bro. Is it hot?
No, it's cold.
Even better.
Yo, cold start. Yeah. Yo, me on that. Be at your length.
Wait.
Exhaust, all my life for water.
Yeah. Alright. Yo,
You almost there?
You coming? Slowly.
Yeah, you like that, huh?
Come in here nice and slow, baby.
Yo!
What is this? Big cam, bro?
Hey, you know what? At least you got big clips.
Oh, I like it. Oh, yo, chill! Fucking black smoke.
Yeah. Alright, bruh. 12:17. Finished pissing, finished putting the exhaust on. We're gonna do some rollers, bruh.
Jump out the Rari, then jump out the reef, and I hop in my gel and then hop in some bait. They jump out the face.
More. Hit the limiter, Yeah, that's cool. It's popped!
I be so fly, I just don't shit my K when it bought me a safe and it came with a ring. Got some new money when bought me a cake. You see how the baby that jump out the face. When they jump in the trap, it could cut me a cake. We fly the Cuba to full up some moves. Pour some board, my nigga, we bring it. Y'all niggas pull up a business and spoil. I'm taking y'all.
Rev it, Jet. Watch this shit. Holy fuck. Just nice, bro.
Hey, I'm not gonna be doing that, bro.
Yo, it bombs! Locking up the lane? Every lane really is ours.
Every lane is ours, bro. What's up? Every lane's ours, bro.
What's good, bro?
What's up, man? What's good, bro? Just woke up.
Actually,
Just woke up? Check out the exhaust, man.
it looks like yours, but two. You have INVIDIA, right? Or you know?
No, dude, I have the Acura. Oh, yeah.
That shit massive, eh?
Yeah.
Fat.
Make me want.
Oh my shit, dirty.
Spending all my funds on fishing, bro.
You want me to wipe it down quick?
Reminds me of my car, bro.
Wait, let me get out of that, bro.
Alright, let's do this. Oh, there's no burbles?
I don't think so.
There is no burbles. Give it a little dump, bro. Damn, it's drony as fuck. It sounds good.
It does sound good.
This is the one I wanted too.
It doesn't sound loud or anything.
Yeah, only when you're.
It's just, yeah. When you're actually pulling.
I fuck with that.